Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Firestore security rules for production, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Firestore security rules for production, begin by logging into your Firebase console. Navigate to the project that contains your Firestore database. On the left sidebar, click on Firestore database. Once in the Firestore section, select the Rules tab at the top of the page. You will see the default security rules that are currently in place. Read through the default rules to understand their structure and functionality. Before making changes, it's advisable to create a backup of your current rules. In the Rules editor, start customizing your rules according to your app's requirements. Define the conditions under which users can read or write data. Use the Firestore rules language to specify access permissions. Consider using authentication conditions, such as requiring users to be logged in. You can also set rules based on user IDs to restrict access to specific data. After adjusting the rules, click on the Publish button to apply your changes. Review the released rules and test them to ensure they work as intended. Utilize the Firestore emulator to simulate requests to test your security rules before going live. Monitor the Firestore usage in the Firebase console to ensure that your rules are functioning correctly. Make adjustments as needed based on user feedback and security assessments. Finally, document your rules for future reference and team understanding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.